Well, I've upgraded the video. They upgraded my mask, putting on video, to a adjustable regulator, second stage. It's a hot dive. What I didn't realize is, well, right here, I got one of these little guns that pull that thing straight, and I pulled it tight, but it left a sharp edge off. I trimmed that a little bit, but should be a little more. Actually, should be a lot better. I can adjust my breathing, but other than that, I still got the little camera up there. Probably won't dive with that a whole lot. Just I won't use it a whole lot. But the mask is at DKW. I'm going to eventually change the straps to make straps a little easier. But anyway, I got swivels on there. So, makes a little butter off. I got a perfectly rebuilt first stage. Been rebuilt, set at 140 psi. I think before I said that. Let's see here. I can't read it. Yeah, 145 psi. Tested, rebuilt. Can't really argue with it. Oceanic. But the cheapest full face dive mask you can get on the market right now. Once they've probably got $100 in that, shipping, handling, everything. But I'm not complaining. Anyway, if anybody's got any questions, please ask. I really ain't had a chance to use it too much, but I'm looking forward to it this spring when I can get out there and do some dive work. But I kind of like it, tell you the truth. I don't pretty much. I've dove with several different masks, and to me, this one's breathes just as nice. And you know, the other masks sell for $4,000. This one sells for maybe a couple $100 with everything. If you got your own rig to start with, this does have a push to. And I did take it apart to see what it looks like. I can't get it apart now, but it's basically this right here is very similar to a Scuba Pro. You open it up, you got diaphragm, and really, it looks like an old Scuba Pro. But anyway, I'm not complaining. I still got tape on the protective tape on the lens. That's gonna have to eventually come off when I do some diving. Actual in the ocean dive, I didn't want to peel it off, but it's already coming off. From that first time I stuck my head in the water with it, I was hoping, but it ain't gonna last. But anyway, like I said, anybody got any questions, please ask. Bye bye.